Hello everybody, Turtle Monkey here with another wonderful video for you. Today you and I are going to pick this Master Lock Pro Series 745. I was so lucky to get this from Jeff Moss through the Reddit. We exchanged locks. I sent him a best lock and he sent me this one, a brand new spanking new fancy dancy Master Lock. So let's get it viced up and see what we can't do to it. Now this is the Pro Series, so they're a little bit better than your normal offshoot Walmart or hardware store locks. They're pretty nice. A little spongy core in there. Everything rattle around. So let's get this puppy picked and gutted, and we will go from there. I got a second camera here. I'm going to try to set out of the way, but give you another angle, testing it out. But let's get this puppy picked. At least tried. So top of the keyway with this Peterson Diamond. It's the only one I've been able to have decent luck with because of the way the first pin is, but we'll get there eventually. So start from the back, work our way forward like any other good lock picker does, and see what we can't do. Something said that wasn't supposed to, it felt like. Okay, whatever that is does not want to move. That moved for sure. 3 moved. 4 isn't moving. 2 kind of did. There's 2. Nothing on those. Yeah, push something a little too far. So let's try again. Take your time. Light tension. Nothing too crazy. Let's see if we can't get something to work for it. Man. Hey, would you drop your pick or your tension wrench? That's how much tension I'm putting on it though, as you can tell. It's just slight tension, just enough to hold it in place and add a little bit of rotation to it. Got a little bit of movement. Core moved a hair to the right. And 3's not moving. What 2? Got some counter rotation on 2. Okay, 1's giving me problems. Make sure I don't push my tension wrench out. Okay, 3 it felt like. Alright, 1's acting up. Nothing there. Let's go back to the back and work our way forward again. Okay, 4. Oh, there we go. 3. 2. Did nothing on 2, but 1. 1 wanting to go. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'm not getting any counter rotation. No. So back to front again. Here we go. So today's kind of a neat day. Instead of just me talking to myself. Hit 300 subscribers on this good old YouTube channel. So thank you everybody who has subscribed. And thank you to all the future people that do. I appreciate it. It means you like it. You like me. You really, really. All right. So yeah, that's a big day for me. I know there's tons of YouTubers out there that have a crap load more subscribers, but for a little redneck guy out in Ohio, feels pretty good. So I decided to do a kind of like a giveaway on the good old Amazon. They do this thing where you can set up an item to give away, but it is for rifles. So if you're into rifles, I'll put a link in the description below for it. But don't worry, lock pickers, I haven't forgot about you. I will be doing a giveaway for you as well. But that'll probably be this coming weekend. I want to do a live stream thing and do it during it. Kind of a thank you for tuning in type thing. Oh, we got counter rotation right there. Maybe. Come on. Man, nothing's moving. Like, seriously. Nothing wants to move. Come on. You're there, baby. You are there. Something's there. Trying to get this bad boy picked. I'm going with my day. It's definitely a 1, but I can't really get on it. Let's see, I have a bigger hook to be able to get into 1. Alright, where's... So that goes to here. So I don't want to push my tension wrench out. Yeah, 1's definitely a culprit. Just getting to it's the hard part. Alright, let me see if I can throw on the bottom of the keyway, get tension on it, and see what I'm looking at. Here we go. Yeah, 1's, there it goes. And we got it. 1 was a pain in the butt, but we got it. So, there we go. Let me get my mat over here and zoom out a hair so you guys can see everything. Get this camera kind of out of the way. You know, maybe something like that. I'll put the mat. Oh, it's right behind me. La da da da. All right, what do I need for this? Island head. Great. I got a crap load of those. Question is which one? Is it magic number 1? Don't tell me I got it right first time. Nope. No, I didn't turn that all the way back, did I? I might have boogered myself. Hold on 1 second. No, it's still okay. Whew. I about boogered myself. Do you see that? I about got myself. All right. I like the amount of inches I got. Which one is it? Oh, that's this one. I thought it was. Oh, I was slipping. I was slipping. Come on, get out of there. Hey! That looked like a screw. And there's, holy hell, the baby core. It's just a little feller. Sorry this video's taking forever, but we'll get there. Try to speed this part up. Actually, we'll use, maybe not, these shims I got from, got some awesome shims from lockpicking.com. I've never used one, so we'll test that. That's kind of creepy. Test that puppy out, see what we can't do with it. Alright, do this without moving the core. Oh god, that's going to be a pain in the ass. Best way to do that is jam this inside of the core. Maybe. Nope. Try the bottom side. There we go. Help keep that from moving. Oh yeah. I'm a genius. I'm sorry, that was off camera. So, oh, that's going to slide. There we go. So I just use the pry bar to keep it from spinning on me. So this slides into here. Kind of. Maybe. Yeah. Turtle monkey learned a new trick. Do I have a follower that small? I doubt it, to be honest with you. Yeah, I don't. So, for right now, we're going to do it my way. My favorite way. Ooh, oh, lost my shim. That would have been bad. Oh, yeah, they're pushing up. I don't really like doing it this way. Because I don't have a follower to get in there. All my followers are the larger kind. Let's put this back. And we'll do it my way. Because it's safer. I don't feel like having these things shoot across the damn room. Alright. So you guys can see. Yep. Alright, let's pull these puppies. Good old tweezer method. Works like a charm. I don't dump the top pin or the driver pins. Okay, that's 5. That's serrated. Nothing too crazy. 4. Spool. 3 spool. About dumped them anyways. Okay. Get a hold of it. Come here. 2, another spool. And 1, another spool. Ain't too shabby. 4 spools and a serrated. Sounds like a wonderful Saturday night. No. Alright, 5 standard. Standard. Why did that thing give you so much problem? Guess that was that first pin just drove me nuts. And there you go. There is your Master Pro Series 745 from Jeffy Mossy Poo. That sounded horrible. From Jeff Moss. Appreciate it, buddy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a little over 11 minutes long. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, stay picked. And also, check out the links below. They're pretty awesome. Always remember to be safe, subscribe, and stay picked.